Hello, my name is Kim Irwin, and I'm the Western Area Sales Manager for nVent Thermal LLC, manufacturer of quality RAYCHEM products. I'm here in our Redwood City, California headquarters today to provide a brief overview of the WinterGard accessory products that go with our WinterGard heating cables. The WinterGard heating cable family consists of 5 different heating cables. For pipe freeze protection in dry locations, we offer 3 different products. WinterGard H311 120 volt 3 watt per foot heating cable, and WinterGard Plus 6 watt per foot H611 heating cable in 120 volt and H621 in 240 volt. For wet location heating cable for both pipe freeze protection and roof and gutter de-icing applications, we offer WinterGard Wet 6 watt per foot H612 in 120 volt and H622 in 240 volt. To maintain our agency approvals and 2-year warranty, it is required that WinterGard heating cables be installed with the proper required accessories. We offer 2 choices of power connection kits, the H900 hardwire power connection kit and the H908 plug-in power connection kit. Every installation of WinterGard heating cable requires the use of either the H900 or the H908. This H900 kit contains everything you need for a hardwired power connection kit, junction box not included, and the termination of one WinterGard self-regulating heat tracing circuit. This kit can be used with all 5 of our WinterGard heating cables. The kit also includes the gel-filled Inseal that you will need for terminating the end of this circuit. The H908 power connection kit is a plug-in power connection kit, so it can only be used with our 120 volt heating cables. It has built-in 27 milliamp ground fault circuit protection. Again, the kit contains everything you need to do one power connection kit for a 120 volt circuit, including the Inseal. The H910 Splice and Tee kit contains everything you will need for either 1 splice or 1 tee of any WinterGard heating cable, both 120 and 240 volt. This kit also includes an extra Inseal that you will need when teeing the heating cable. This Splice and Tee kit is suitable for use in wet environments, such as roof and gutter de-icing, but do not submerge the splice or tee in water. The H912 gel-filled Inseal kit contains 2 extra gel-filled Inseals to terminate any WinterGard heating cable. Remember, this same Inseal is included in the H900 power connection kit, the H908 plug-in power connection kit, and the H910 Splice and Tee kit. But there may be circumstances in which you need an extra Inseal, and that would be the H912 gel-filled Inseal kit. The H903 application tape kit is a 1/2 inch wide, 66 foot long roll of fiberglass reinforced adhesive tape, and it's used to adhere the WinterGard heating cables on a pipe. This kit also contains 10 orange electric traced labels, which should be affixed to the outside of the pipe insulation at 10-foot intervals. The following 3 accessory kits are specific to roof and gutter de-icing applications. We have 2 roof clip accessory kits. The H913 roof clip kit contains 10 roof clips for approximately 7 linear feet of roof edge. The H914 bulk pack kit contains 50 roof clips for approximately 35 linear feet of roof edge. And then we have the H915 downspout hanger bracket. This bracket provides mechanical protection and strain relief for WinterGard Wet or FrostGard heating cables. Its purpose is to protect the heating cable's outer jacket from damage from sharp edges, such as when you bend the heating cable over the gutter to downspout transition. All of our literature, including installation instructions for all of our accessory kits, is available on our website. For additional technical assistance, contact your local nVent RAYCHEM representative or call nVent Technical Support.